How to braid a bow bracelet. The diameter of the thread is 0.8 millimeters. First, take a 50 centimeters thread and fix it in the center. Take another 50 centimeters thread and fold it in the middle and hang it up. Then tie 14 groups of sparrow head knots. First group completed. Second group completed. Threading 6 millimeters beads. Take out another 50 centimeters thread and leave 3 centimeters at the beginning. Tie the thread with a bird's head knot. Tie 14 groups of sparrow head knots in the same way. Burn the two ends of the axis to make it easier to thread the beads. Then pass the beads left and right. Tighten the second set of knots. Then tighten the axis. Then, the axis is still the axis, and the winding is the winding. Tie 4 sets of sparrow head knots. Do the same on the other side. Four groups are not enough. Add 2 groups of sparrow head knots. Take out a 40 centimeters thread and hang it up. The length of the bow is 3.5 centimeters. Minus 3.5 from the wrist circumference and divided by 2 is the length of one side. Around 5 centimeters. Then tie a snake knot to secure. Do the same on the other side. Take a 20 centimeters long thread, fold it in half, and tie square knots.